Okay, so hi, what do I have here? So I have this lithium cells. This brand is Litokala brand, which I guess is a Chinese brand, but they claim that each battery is 7 amp hours, which I checked, and it is very close to the defined capacity. And I would like to build a pack now that I needed for something I will show later for what. And let's get started. So of course we need the balancer, and since these cells are not regular, what do I mean by not regular? These are lithium FePO4, which are lithium ferrum, which the most important thing is it's much less dangerous than other lithium cells, because the heat can't get thermal heat and run away. So usually, even if you shoot them, they will not get fire. They will vent out and have smoke and everything, but they will not get fire. Okay, so how to start? I have here the balancer that I've bought. Now I don't know by heart how to connect it, but it is written on the manual. Some things are obvious for each balancer, they are the same. Of course, you need a balance between each cell. Also, you need that the battery output is not going directly to the output of the balancer, because the balancer should protect current protection, short protection, over voltage protection, and discharge protection. So basically we need to connect, let's see, we have the B minus, which is the battery, and the B plus, and then we have all the balanced wires which are here, and then we should connect, that's all. I don't need the B minus, and probably I guess that maybe these are the same that are going to the wires that I took with the connector. I guess they are the same output. Let's have it check. So you can connect through this connector, or you connect directly to the board. I guess this is what they done here. But to be on the safe side, let's check. So I guess that the B minus should be the second wire. So if I will take this one, this should be, I think, B1. Where's B1? This is B1, yes. Okay, so you have two options to connect, or to connect with this connector, or directly. Maybe I will connect directly, I'm not sure. But it is nice that you have both options. Now about connecting the batteries, so it's pretty easy. In my application I need to connect all in serial, so I will connect each plus to the minus of the other cell, and then I will have to glue it somewhere, somehow I mean, and then you have from each connection between the batteries, this is the balancing, so you have to take one wire out to the correct place. This is how it works. Okay, so now let's decide if I will use these wires or not, or maybe I will use these wires. That's all. Now we will see if it fits to my application. Later I will show you my application. Okay, so now is the time to show the applications that I've prepared this battery for. So this is the application. This is the scope. This is an old scope. So the battery is very expensive, and I thought, because the battery price is, I don't know, maybe $500, so I thought to myself, why not try to fix it myself? So I've prepared the connector. Hopefully everything is properly done. I didn't check it yet. I hope that I'm right with the direction and everything. The battery is not fully charged, but it should be connected like this, and it should be inserted like this. There is a lot of space here. Maybe I will try to fix the wire a little. This is my favorite Kapton tape, as you've seen already. I did put protection diode that I saw in another video, so this scope can't be charged now from the internal or from the scope itself. I will charge it outside. By my calculation, it should work a lot of time with this battery, almost 4 hours. And this is working! Holy shit! As you can see, this is working perfectly with my home design battery, LiFePO4 battery. You can see that the scope is properly working. Now it is handheld. I don't need a power cord, I don't need anything. I just have my home design battery. Okay, so this is working. In order to charge the battery now, I will disconnect. This is why I made the connector. I can disconnect it and connect it to my power source, and since this battery will work 5 hours continuously, so I don't see any issue. Now, how to charge it? This is pretty simple. I will explain. Because I have 4 cells inside, I will now charge it. So I need to supply 3.7, this is the maximum, multiply by 4. Take a little up, because then you have the circuit to protect. So let's say even if I supply 16 volts, it will be okay. It will stop when the battery is charged. This is why we have the protection circuit. If you want to be on the safe side, so do it 3.7 multiplied by 4, and then you are done. 3.7 multiplied by 4, this is 7.4. Yes, 3.7 multiplied by 4. This is 7.4 twice, so this is 14.8 volt, and you are done. So 15 volts should be properly okay to charge this battery. That covers all. Hopefully this is helpful for anyone. I think this is a very nice project. Was in my mind more than few years till I found some time to complete it. Hope you find this useful. Thank you and bye.